इंग्लिश बोलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है। मेरा बैकग्राउंड इंग्लिश मीडियम का नहीं है, मुझसे तो इंग्लिश बोली ही नहीं जाएगी। हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज अरविंद एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल द डेवलप माइंड। Today I will share only 4 steps to help you to speak English easily. Yes, you heard me. Only 4 steps. I'm telling you because this is very easy and it helped me a lot. How did it help me? Since I belonged to a non-English speaking family background, forget about English. I grew up in a family where not even Hindi was spoken. Only Bhojpuri. Yes, completely Bhojpuri. For example, का हो, का हलवा, सुने रमेश के भैंसिया पढ़वा देस. Yes, I come from a family where only Bhojpuri was spoken, not English, not even much Hindi. So if you are from Hindi or Bhojpuri or any language speaking background, trust me, I understand your struggle. But today I can speak English confidently, and if I can do it, you can do it as well. The biggest mistake people make is that they try to learn English by memorizing grammar rules. They learn tenses, formulas, and difficult vocabularies. And when someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," they become silent. Why? Because English is a skill, not a school subject. You learn speaking by speaking. Just like a child learns his mother tongue. A child does not learn grammar first. He listens, copies, and speaks. You should do the same. Step 1. Listen every day. Spend at least 20 minutes listening to English. Watch simple English videos or podcasts or short stories. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. At least your mind getting familiar with the language. The more you listen, the easier speaking becomes. Step 2. Think in English. This is a game changer. Instead of thinking, मुझे पानी चाहिए, think, I want to drink water. Instead of thinking, मैं market जा रहा हूँ, think, I'm going to market. Start with small sentences. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is think in English. Step 3. Speak alone. Many people says, भाई मेरे पास practice partner नहीं है. It's okay. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. For example, I'm sitting on a chair. I'm going to market. I'm watching video. I'm learning English. This simple habit can improve your English faster than you imagine. Step 4, not least but last. Remember this carefully. People who speak English fluently today were once beginners too. They made mistake. They felt nervous, but they kept speaking. Every mistake is a lesson. So don't wait for perfect English. Start imperfect English, because imperfect action is better than perfect planning. Let me tell you something. English is not a talent. English is not a gift. English is a skill, and every skill can be learned. If a Bhojpuri person like me could learn English step by step, then you can learn it as well. So just listen daily, think in English, speak every day, and never be afraid of mistakes. Keep practicing, keep improving, and one day you will surprise yourself. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share with others. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.